so today we have on affordable home repairs. We have the Aqua Bliss SF100BN. It is a water filter for your shower, and it's pretty sure it's going to be straightforward to install. Oh, sweet! They even include the thread tape. We got some spare seals. We got a valve, or not a valve, but a hose extension. Ooh, reveal the bonus. Well, that's kind of cool. Okay, gotta rinse the filter, remove the old shower head, put on the tape, and screw it all back together. I'm assuming one goes there. Let's see what's in here. Alright, we got the filter. Probably put this big fat seal down there. And this little bitty seal right here. Oh, wait, no. Oh, it's already there. Dang it. Yep, and that one's got a seal there too. So they give you a spare set of seals. That's pretty handy. Alright, as per the directions, we're going to rinse this bad boy out. Let this drain. And, yeah. So, take this part off, set this down here. Oh, sweet. Still has the original valve pressed, or the original seal, sink screen. So I don't think we're really going to need a new one. But we're going to see if we can get by with the same thread tape. This may or may not be a good idea. And then we'll check for leakage. Alright, that seems pretty good. No real leakage. Get the thread tape. Put the thread tape back on. Okay. Screw in this little thing right here. Let's see if it Yeah, it's leaking. We got a little bit of seepage right there, so that's not tight enough. Whew. Alright, we're going to try this one more time. Alright, we got no leakage. The filter has been installed, and that is how you install a AquaBliss water filter. Keep your water nice and clean in your shower, and hopefully reduce any kind of irritation or anything you might be experiencing. I wish I had a TDS meter to verify it, but hey, I hope it works good, and that's how you install it. Have a good day.